Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can change the language for subtitles and captions in your PowerPoint presentations in 2026. So let us get started. So guys, let's assume your PowerPoint presentation features the subtitles and you would like to present your presentation to your audience as a slideshow. To do that, guys, and to change that language for the subtitles, navigate to slideshow here at the top, and from there navigate to the captions and subtitles area here. Click into subtitle settings, and from here you can customize your subtitles, like for example change their position or navigate to your subtitle settings on your device. Check if your microphone is enabled, for example, here with that check mark to the right. So what you want to do, guys, is navigate to the spoken language and the subtitle language. So we got the spoken language already. Let's assume I have chosen, for example, English, but you can choose any of these here or from that list below. But for the subtitle language, hover your mouse over that field below and select the language for your subtitles from that list. So let me go to, since subtitles should be different from the spoken language, I will go with, or it's, well, actually, no, not really. It can be actually the same. So let me go with English as well. And now the subtitles will be also displayed in English or in any other language you would like to switch to. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.